Hello, I'm in a 2003 Toyota 4Runner, and today I'm going to show you to check your engine oil level. So first you open the hood and turn the vehicle off. And then from here, we're going to look for this. This is your dipstick. So you pull this all the way out. Wipe it perfectly clean with a rag or a good paper towel. Stick it all the way back in. Pull it all the way back out again. And then on the end here, you'll see a couple dots. The dot towards the left here is your full mark, and the dot towards the right is your low mark. So ideally you want it somewhere pretty close to the dot on the left. That said, we'll put this all the way back in, and let's say it was low. Still all while the engine's off. We'll pop over to here, and this will be where you're going to add your new oil to. Double check using the proper type of oil, as well as ideally the same conventional and synthetic and brand you've been using. It's better not to mix and match as much as you can help it. But you'll unscrew this and it just pops right off. And either with a funnel or straight from your quart jug, you'll just fill as needed. Try not to overfill if you can, as that can also cause issues. But once you've filled up as around where you think it needs, screw this back on nice and tight. And then I would start the vehicle for like 10-20 seconds to run the new oil through the system, turn it back off, and then at that point I would go back to the dipstick and then check your level again, just as we did in the beginning. And if you need more oil, just do the same process again. Add as you think you might need, and then run the vehicle again to circulate the new oil, and you should be all set. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in lieu of your regular oil changes, which, depending on the oil and vehicle mileage, anywhere between like 3,000 and 8,000 miles recommended. Which you would do that typically by putting the vehicle on a slight lift, so you can get underneath to the oil pan. You pull the oil plug, drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw the plug back in nice and tight, and then you would add all the recommended oil for your particular engine here. And then screw this on nice and tight again, and at that point you'd start your motor to circulate the new oil. And then I would double check at the end to make sure you've got a full level. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.